Hi everybody, today we will talk about rainforest habitat. Let's go. The rainforest habitat is a habitat which is full of trees and it's located near the equator where it is warm. Now let's see the weather in the rainforest and also learn about some plants and animals that live in it. The weather is warm and the rain falls almost every day. The plants have big leaves to help capture light. And the tall trees block most of sunlight from reaching the ground. The animals are frog, large snakes, monkey, and mako. This is the end and goodbye.